1. Intro. Why SAP Data? Analysts are in demand. Are you interested in data but not sure how to turn it into a career? Want to work in a high-paying, high-impact role without needing to be a coder? If that's you, becoming an SAP Data Analyst might be the smartest move you can make in 2025. SAP is the digital core of the world's largest companies. It holds millions of records from sales and purchasing to finance and HR. But here's the secret. All that data is worthless unless someone knows how to use it. And that's where you come in. An SAP Data Analyst translates raw system data into meaningful business insights. These professionals are becoming mission critical in today's data-driven economy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what an SAP Data Analyst actually does day to day, the skills and tools you'll need to break in a complete beginner roadmap to land your first job career path, salary potential, and future trends. This is your ultimate roadmap. Let's dive in. 2. What does an SAP Data Analyst do? An SAP Data Analyst helps companies understand their data so they can make better decisions. You'll work with SAP systems, which hold critical information, and analyze that data to track performance indicators, KPIs, spot inefficiencies in business processes, build reports and dashboards, support finance, logistics, HR, or supply chain teams with real-time insights. Help managers answer tough questions with real data. You might use SAP tools like SAP BW Business, Warehouse for structured reporting, SAP HANA for high-speed analytics, SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC for visual dashboards, SAP GUI or Fury apps for data extraction, Excel, Power BI, or Tableau for presentation. Think of yourself as the translator between data and decision makers. 3 key skills and tools you need. Let's break down what really matters to become a great SAP data analyst. Business understanding. It's not enough to look at numbers. You need to understand what they mean. You must know how companies work. What does a sales order mean? How does inventory get tracked? What do profit margins look like on a report? A data analyst in SAP isn't just crunching numbers, they're solving real business problems. Technical tools. You'll be expected to navigate systems and pull useful data. Tools include SAP GUI to extract data manually, SE16N, SQVI, and similar transaction codes. Excel, pivot tables, lookups, charting, Power BI/Tableau dashboards, SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC, preferred in 2025. Basic SQL knowledge is also useful. You won't need to code, but you'll query tables. Data thinking, this is your secret weapon. Develop the ability to ask the right business questions, organize and clean messy datasets, track trends, calculate KPIs, communicate results clearly. You are not just a technician, you are a business partner. 4. How to start. Beginner. Roadmap, you don't need experience to get started, but you do need direction and practice. Step 1. Understand SAP basics. Watch videos on how SAP is used by businesses. Learn what master data and transactional data mean. Try exploring sample T codes like SE16N, tables, ME2N, purchasing, FBL1N, vendor reports. Step 2. Pick a focus area. Choose a functional area where you feel comfortable or already have some background. Finance, SAP FI data, GL accounts, cost centers. Logistics, SAP MM/SD, purchase orders, delivery schedules. HR, employee master data, timesheets, payroll. Step 3, learn the right tools. Start with Excel, formulas, data cleaning, charting. Power BI, connect to SAP or Excel files. SAC, watch open SAP tutorials, create mock dashboards. SQL basics, joins, select, group by. Step 4. Build your first portfolio. Practice with open datasets, Excel or CSV format, and document your data cleaning process, analysis goals, key findings, dashboard screenshots. Create a Notion page or GitHub repo to showcase this. Even better, post a sample dashboard on LinkedIn. Step 5. Apply for the entry-level roles. Once you've built 1 to 2 solid projects, start applying for roles like SAP Data Intern Reporting Analyst, Junior, SAP Analyst. Highlight your skills, your projects, and your business mindset. 5. Career path and salary expectations. As an SAP Data Analyst, your career path opens up fast if you gain cross-functional knowledge and strong business understanding. Career growth. Junior SAP Analyst, Reporting Analyst, Senior Analyst, Analytics Consultant, Data Architect. You can specialize in finance KPIs and reporting, FP&A, supply chain analytics, workforce and HR analytics. Cross-module business intelligence salary ranges, 2025. Entry, $40,000 to $60,000. Mid, $60,000 to $90,000. Senior, $100,000 to $130,000, plus freelance or SAC specialists. 600 to 900 euros per day in EU. Also possible transitions. BI consultant, SAP Analytics Presales. Business Controller / FP and A Manager 6. Final tips and resources. Stay business focused. Learn why the data matters. Build real projects. Dashboards, reports, mock requests. Don't wait to be perfect. Show what you've learned so far. Use LinkedIn actively to post insights and connect with others. Follow SAP blogs, OpenSAP, and channels like SAP IFI Academy. If you're serious about building your career as a data-driven professional, don't just stop here. We've created a free SAP Career Starter Kit to help you kick off your journey the smart way. With curated tips, beginner T-codes, tool recommendations, and a practical checklist you can start using today. Get it here. https kaiabdullah.gumroad.com/SAP20. You'll find resources in that kit that we don't share anywhere else. Also, if you found value in this video, make sure to explore other popular videos on the channel like SAP Career Roadmap 2025, Top 5 SAP Modules in Demand, How to Become an SAP Consultant. Every one of those videos builds on what you learned here and gives you even more insight into choosing the right SAP path for you. Subscribe to SAP IFI Academy for weekly SAP career content that's simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. And comment below with your background or what role you're aiming for. I personally reply and help guide you. Thanks for watching. Now go start your journey as an SAP Data Analyst